Hey, what's up everybody? Jason and Jeff here. We are at Chao.
Samran ค่ะเพชรบุรี
Yes, Chao Samran Beach in Phetchaburi, Thailand. And you can see behind us here, beach view. Big wind, but a really beautiful beach. You can see the side to side and view. So nice and peaceful. And you see the rocks over there ahead. And this is the Fisherman's Resort where we're staying. You can see the boat that they've got here, and this is in front of the restaurant at the hotel. And so we have a discount coupon for eating here, and you can also have your breakfast here for free. We're going to be staying here for 2 nights. We're going to check out Chao Samran Beach, and then we're going to head up to Hua Hin. You can see a swimming pool on that side where we can, if you're staying at the hotel, you can use the pool also. But we're braving the wind here. You can see very, very windy right now, but it's a nice breeze. And yeah, this is our hotel room is actually right over there, like a 2-minute walk to the beach. So I really can't beat this location if you come to Chao Samran. But maybe consider wearing a hat. You see what's going on with my hair here. So, and Jeff is smart. She wore a hat. So we will see you guys soon.